English in the UK, a mosaic of sounds. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the rich tapestry of language and dialects in the United Kingdom. The UK isn't just home to the Queen's English. It's a melting pot of various dialects and accents. Understanding these dialects not only helps you understand the UK better but also deepens your appreciation for the English language. Let's get started. The UK, with its historical invasions, migrations, and regional separations, has birthed a multitude of dialects. From the Vikings to the Romans, many have left their linguistic mark. Invasions and migrations. Different invaders brought their languages, which blended with Old English. Regional separations. Geography, such as mountains or water bodies, often separated communities, allowing distinct dialects to evolve. It's essential to understand the difference between a dialect and an accent. Accent refers to the way words are pronounced. It doesn't involve vocabulary or grammar changes. Dialect, a broader term that encompasses pronunciation, vocabulary, and sometimes grammar. For example, someone in Liverpool might have a Scouse accent but use local words or phrases unique to that region, which would be part of the Scouse dialect. 1. Cockney, London, famous for its rhyming slang. E.g., apples and pears, means stairs. 2. Brummie, Birmingham, distinct in pronunciation and tone. 3. Scouse, Liverpool, recognizable by its nasal tone. 4. Geordie, Newcastle, known for unique words like Gannon, for going. 5. Mancunian, Manchester, with its soft vowel sounds. 6. West Country, Cornwall, Devon, slow and musical quality. The UK's edges, Scotland, Wales, and parts of Ireland, speak languages other than English. Welsh in Wales, Gaelic in parts of Scotland and Ireland. These languages have influenced the English spoken in these regions, adding a new layer of richness to the dialects. For example, the Welsh accent in English has a lyrical tone, influenced by the Welsh language. The UK offers a vast array of sounds and expressions within its borders, making it a fascinating study for anyone interested in English. As you continue your language journey, remember, understanding these dialects and accents is about more than just words. It's a gateway to understanding the history, culture, and people of the UK. We hope this video sheds light on the beautiful linguistic diversity present in the UK. Happy learning!